Hi, I'm Frank Meagher, one of the grafting experts at Citagenix. I'm introducing you today to Neomem ECM. Neomem ECM has replaced the xenograft product we used to provide called DynaMatrix. In biology, the extracellular matrix is a three-dimensional network of extracellular macromolecules such as collagen, enzymes, and glycoproteins. ECM provides a structural and a biochemical support to surrounding cells. Neomem ECM is a xenograft material sourced from porcine mesothelium tissue. Provide a cell-friendly matrix for cells to attach, proliferate, and replace the matrix with new native tissue. This material is a viable alternative for patients that do not want their own tissue harvested or do not want an allograft dermis graft used. It provides excellent handling and adaptability for soft tissue augmentation sites such as root recession or improving attached keratinized tissue around teeth or implants. So to recap, Neomem ECM is a xenograft alternative for soft tissue defects. It's replaced by new native tissue. It's easy to handle and to suture into place. There's no harvest site, so there's less pain and morbidity, more affordable than DynaMatrix, and it comes in 3 convenient sizes. So contact us for more details and pricing.